for the moment, I want to move to that other big story we're tracking here on India First, and that is West Asia is on the brink. There's massive military movement that's taking place. Official warnings have gone out. Of course, there's also strategic silence, and there are fueling fears of an imminent US strike on Iran. Possibly something could happen in the next 24 to 48 hours. And there are multiple signals that are giving out that indication that US may do something. There's a senior Western military official that says that all indications suggest that an attack is imminent. The US has shifted to a clear war posture. Mid-air refuelers, they've taken off from Qatar. Naval firepower, they're surging from the Red Sea to the Persian Gulf, and American troops are now being redeployed. Iran, meanwhile, has raised the state of its military readiness. They've shut down their airspace except for known international flights. Diplomacy, perhaps there's quite diplomacy is happening, but there are forces in play. The next 24 to 48 hours may be very crucial.
We're looking at it very seriously. The military is looking at it, and we're looking at some very strong options.
West Asia is on edge. Will the United States strike Iran within the next 24 hours? Military movements, official warnings and strategic silence are fueling fears of a direct US-Iran confrontation. Senior Western military official told media that all indications suggest a US attack could be very close. This is not speculation alone. Multiple military and political signals are now flashing red. The US is shifting to a clear war posture in West Asia. On January 14th, multiple aerial refueling tankers took off from Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, a key pre-strike signal. At sea, the US Navy has surged firepower, deploying 3 Arleigh-Burke-class destroyers armed with Tomahawk missiles, along with an Ohio-class submarine across the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. At the same time, American troops are being moved out of Al Udeid, underscoring how serious this escalation is. And that is not all. The USS Abraham Lincoln Carrier strike group is moving from the South China Sea towards the Middle East. Even before its arrival, the US already has enough assets in place to carry out limited but devastating strikes. Iran has raised military readiness. Its army chief says Tehran is prepared for war with the US or Israel and will respond swiftly and forcefully. Iran has shut its airspace to international flights. Initially for hours, now indefinitely. Such closures are typically seen just before military actions. So, is war inevitable? The next 24 hours are being described as the most dangerous window yet. The region is tense, forces are positioned, and diplomacy has gone silent. The question now is not capability, but intent. And the world is watching to see who makes the first move. With Pranay Upadhyay and Geeta Mohan, Bureau Report, India Today.